Hi everyone, this is Avik and welcome to my channel. This is about work-life balance, technology, and faith. And today I'm going to give you a quick tech tip on how to blur your background in your next Zoom meeting. I think this is very helpful in several ways. First, you don't need a green screen to choose a virtual background which can appear not authentic at all. But at the same time, it can help you to hide some things in the background you don't really want your audience to see. And somehow it gets the feeling that you have a very nice camera that can really blur everything in this version of the blurred background. So it's very simple. You have to check for updates in your Zoom app. And here you will see that my Zoom app is not updated, so we will go through the process of downloading the latest version and installing it. And then once it is installed, we will relaunch the Zoom. And then you go to your settings, go to your video, and choose the camera that you will use. You go to your backgrounds and filters, and here you can play around. You will see the blur, and you can play around with having it blurred or none. And you can see that with the blurred, the background becomes totally washed out. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.